with hard works, you have to have some other component. You have to work hard with sincerity, with your simplicity, with your honesty, with your generosity. That should be very integral part in your hardworking, you know, process. Only working hard is something. It's like me without dress, without my shirt or pants. So I am a perfect person or complete man with shirt, pant, and shoes and so on. So hardworking with these components, I mean with generosity, with your simplicity, with your honesty, with your transparency, so will make your hard work more effective.
That's why knowledge matters.